During the school lunch break, you're sitting alone, and the group in front of you is laughing, talking, having fun. No one even looks your way, and in your mind only one question keeps spinning. Should I start the conversation, or should I just stay quiet? I've been through this too, and from that struggle I discovered a simple little solution, which I'm going to share with you today. Once during a lunch break, everyone was busy enjoying with their groups. I was sitting alone on my bench, staring at my tiffin, thinking, if I go and try to talk to them, and they ignore me, then what? That day, one moment changed everything. A friend looked at me and said, "Hey, do you want to say something?" And guess what I said? No. And I sat back again. That awkward silence, it hit me hard. It made me realize the real problem wasn't the people. The real problem was starting the conversation, just starting it. If I don't take the first step, then this hesitation, this overthinking, will never end. That's when I decided I would try a few small things to connect with people, and today I'm sharing those same 3 secrets with you, the same ones that slowly started changing my life. Secret 1, show genuine interest. People love talking about themselves, and when you take their name while talking, they feel noticed, valued, important. After one school assembly, I said to my friend Liam, you said you love football, right? Who's your favorite footballer? The moment I said Liam, his whole face lit up. He said, Ronaldo, with so much excitement. Taking someone's name seems small, but it hits deep. Try this. Take one classmate's name and ask them about their favorite subject. Watch how your connection improves instantly. But is taking names enough? Of course not. Secret 2, ask open-ended questions. These are questions that don't end with yes or no. They open doors into bigger, better conversations. One day I asked a new student, "So, how was the school you studied in before?" His eyes brightened. He shared his entire story, happily, freely. Try asking something that makes the other person feel comfortable, like, according to you, what's the best part of our school? Conversations become more natural, more meaningful, because remember, people open up only when they feel safe and valued. Secret 3, give genuine compliments. This one is powerful, very powerful. On compliment day, I told my friend Faris, your running style is so fast and smooth. How do you practice? He smiled and then told me his whole routine. Our conversation flowed for minutes without any effort. Try this with your friends too. Compliment their handwriting, their notes, their shoes, their presentations, anything real and genuine. You'll be surprised how far one good sentence can go. Now you must be thinking, all this is fine, but how do I actually start? Don't worry, I've got a simple trick. The trick you can start using today. Grab a notebook. Write the names of people you hesitate to talk to. In front of each name, write one small question, like, do you like watching movies? Romantic or horror? Who's your favorite actor? The next day, talk to just one person from that list. Ask just one question, then listen, really listen to their answer. This tiny practice will slowly turn hesitation into confidence, fear into comfort. I was an introvert. Just like you, I still am. But I tried these steps, and today, I can talk to anyone with confidence. If I can do it, why can't you? So here's your challenge. Today, talk to just one person you hesitate to approach, because if you never step out of your comfort zone, your hesitation will never end. The first step is in your hands. Okay then, till next time. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.